Hey everyone, how's it going? I got some free time this afternoon, so I can make this quick video for you to show you my brand new car. It's a 2016 Mazda 3 iSport. I just got it last week. It's a really nice car. I really like it a lot. So I've only had it since last week, and it's already kind of dirty. I don't know if you can tell from the camera lens, but there's some dust and some water spots because it poured rain not too long ago, so not sure if you can see it, but and there's a couple little scratches. I think there was one here. I think I found a couple more in the back, but that's just minor stuff. That's just what happens when you buy a used car. I can take care of all that. But let me show you the headlights. I really like these headlights a lot. And I'll show you the brake lights. Alright, let's take a quick look at the inside. Has a nice interior. Pretty decent space in the back seats. Sorry about the mess, that's work stuff. I haven't mounted the dash cam yet. Since last week, it was pretty hot, and then I was away for the weekend, so I just haven't had a chance to do it yet. Also, I've just been like kind of lazy and just haven't felt like doing it, so, but I'll put it in soon. Hazards. Oh hey, there's a fly in my car. Really like the start button. Starts right up. The AC feels really nice. Kicks right up, as opposed to my last car where it took like 5 minutes before I felt it. I haven't tried the heat yet, obviously because it's July, but I'm sure that works fine. I'm still trying to get used to this, to using this. I, for the life of me, can't figure it out. But I know how to connect my Bluetooth. I actually don't have the navigation installed, so I forget why, but I just don't have it. Sorry about that. I just took a phone call, but yeah, this is what I was talking about. My Mazda's not equipped with a navigation system. Not sure how to go about that, but I'm not worried about it. I have my phone for directions, so. All the radio settings. Let's see. Display. Safety. Okay, I don't know. Sound. I have no idea how to use any of these. Clock. Door locks, turn signals. I'm not gonna worry about that stuff now. Tooltips, language, distance. Yeah, I'm not gonna mess around any of these. Here's something I still can't get used to. The little volume knob on the bottom. And I actually didn't realize this, but my girlfriend did actually push it. So she already knows more about my car than I do. Okay. And here's the display. It's pretty nice looking. And since we're on here, I may as well point out one little flaw that this car has. Notice here how it says I'm going 19 miles an hour even though I'm parked and not moving. So, not sure what's wrong with that, but it says 19 miles per hour no matter how fast I'm going, whether I'm stopped or going 65. Whatever speed, it's always been on 19 miles per hour, and it's been like that since I got the car. But yeah, But, I mean, I do have this, so it's not like I really need that, but still. Has a little over 17,000 miles, which is a really nice car. And besides the couple scratches, that's really the only flaw there was. Oh no, wait, I'm sorry, there's something else. Let's get out of the car. With this door, something's wrong with it. It doesn't actually lock. Let's try it. See? I think something's jammed in the lock, but I don't have time to worry about it now. Oh, and a cool safety feature about this car is that it won't let me use this at all while I'm driving, because like the car's in motion and you try to press on this, just like it just doesn't respond. So still getting used to having buttons on the steering wheel. I really like that. Alright, to close this off, what do you say we take one last look at it? I'll show you it from the back. Oops. And yeah, this is it. Alright, well, thank you for watching. Hope you like this. And yeah, I'll keep you all posted. Have a good day, guys.